Hello traders, today we are gonna upload KYC. We have a funded account here and go to KYC. Here's the KYC is not submitted. Apply for KYC. Select document type ID card or driving license, or you can also upload your passport. So if you select ID card or driving license, choose the first side of ID card. Max size should be 1 MB and the format should be JPEG or PNG. Then upload, backside of the document ID containing the same requirement. After that, upload your proof of address. The proof of address may any valid utility bill or bank statement. Make sure that the name and address of your proof of address document must be as same as the legal name that is mentioned on your national ID, driving license, or passport. Then, upload selfie with signature page of the document. You can download the document from the agreement document section and find the point number 10 approval page. Here you have to signature in the last trader signature section. Put your mail on the email section and the trader name on the trader section. Print this page and upload the selfie with signature document like this. Your face should not be blurred and the page of document also should not be blurred. Each and everything should be cleared. After that, upload the document with signature of file containing 1 MB. Then submit KYC. Now your KYC is in the pending approval. Wait for your turn and your KYC get approved if you have fulfilled the requirements. Thank you.